don't want no smoke. Shit, dude.
My money shifted in.
What'd you hit?
My money shifted in. It's done. You gotta call a tow truck, man. That's where it's blowed up.
Battery lifetime?
Yeah, it's stalled. It's stalled out.
Damn, how? Damn, dude.
Fuck. The same shit happened to me when I was racing that Mustang. I should have fucking shifted easier. Man.
You caught second? I saw that shit, dude. I saw the needle. I think I have it on video.
The accident won't kill you. The fucking shit will.
Tito, you're gonna be famous.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how people get fucking killing off of YouTube.
Because they're popular.
Unlike me.
We just started. 8 years ago.
I have videos that are like fucking 10 years old.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the sound I like to hear. Holy shit! Hey!
Another trophy.
Souvenirs.
That was the same one.
Ah, that's a new one.
No, that was the one you had right
Look
here.
at that fucking thing.
Look at this carnage.
My God, dude.
Okay, let's see the pea stone. Holy shit!
There's another one?
Jesus Christ.
I guess you done dinner, bud.
Oh, the block's okay, it looks like. I don't see any fucking scratches or holes in the cylinder walls. Wow, look at that. Okay.
Jesus Christ. So what, you think you just destroyed the head?
Hey, more trophies.
Holy shit.
Damn.
Shit, yo, we got 3 trophies. Yo, Jordan, you want one?
Turn them into a coin.
Yeah, which one you want?
Let's see the head.
Oh, look at that. If anybody ever wanted to see what's inside of a valve.
Let's see.
Bro. This look
Pick up that head. That other head.
broke off someone's nipple.
Not too terrible. Definitely fucked.